Okay guys, sanding day. So we're going to trim up all the edges and get it sanded smooth. So now with the red or any of the other reflections lines I found, if you sand too far and you sand into the carbon, you'll sand actually the red off and it'll turn silver. So that's why I like to give these an extra coat. So you want to be really careful when you're sanding this. You can always put more resin on, but once you sand it off, that's it. So you just want to be extra careful when you're sanding any hard areas. I'll probably hand sand the edge just to be safe. But yeah, let's get them trimmed and sanded. Now we can get them re-resined. Hey guys, so one down. I just decided to trim with the orbital. Luckily I didn't go through, so it's all good. I'm not going to record the next one because it's going to be the exact same thing. It's just going to get long. So one down, one to go, and then we'll resin them.